everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showing some really cute and inexpensive DIY room decor ideas with you guys. So if you want to see how to make some really cute decorations for your room just to spice your room up, then keep on watching this video. And if you aren't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down below because you are definitely not going to want to miss out any of my upcoming videos. So this first DIY is this really cute palm tree sunset painting. It's super easy to make, so let me show you guys how to do it. To start off, you're of course going to need a blank canvas. I got this one from the dollar store. Then you're going to want to get a light pink color, and you're going to want to start painting the top half of the canvas this light pink color. Once I'm done painting the top half of the canvas, I'm also going to get this light purple color, and I'm going to start painting the bottom half of the canvas this color. Once the two colors reach each other, you're going to want to start blending them in together. As you guys can see, I'm using this really helpful sponge paintbrush so that I can easily blend the two colors together. Now I'm going to get this darker pink color, and I'm going to apply about 2 drops of it to the top of the canvas, and I'm going to start blending it downwards towards the purple. I also forgot to mention that as I'm blending all of these different colors together, I'm actually not letting the paint dry because I find that it's easier to blend the colors together when none of the paint is dry. And now for the last color that we will be using, I'm going to get this dark purple. This time I'm only going to use about a drop of the dark purple because it's a very dark color, and also I'm going to start blending it upwards towards the pink. And now as you guys can see, we have a more noticeable gradient than we had before. And now for the palm trees, it's way easier than you guys think. It takes literally less than a minute per palm tree. Using black paint, you're just going to want to draw the trunk of the palm tree and then 5 lines coming out from the palm tree, and you're going to want to make the lines kind of curved. And the last thing you have to do is draw a whole bunch of little lines coming out from each stem of the palm tree, and that's all you have to do. That's how you draw a palm tree. Now as you can see, I'm just drawing palm trees in random places, in the corners, just everywhere where I think it would look good. And as you can see, I'm making the trunks kind of like curved because palm trees aren't perfect. And so yeah, I'm just drawing about 4 palm trees. And this is my final painting. I love the way it turned out so much. I just think it looks so cool. It just reminds me of the sunset and being on the beach. I just love it so much, and it was super easy to make, really easy to make. I would recommend doing it if you like painting, and this has to be one of my favorite DIYs from the video. This next DIY is really simple to make. All you will need to do is paint a mason jar, a color of your choice. I just chose this really light pink color. And you're just going to want to pop some flowers in the mason jar, and there you have a really cute room decor piece that you could put on a desk or wherever you want. It was really simple to make, and it looks really pretty. Next, I will show you how to make an inspirational piece of wall decor. So to get started off, you will need some construction paper or just some really cute paper. You're also going to need a cardboard outline of a picture frame. You're just going to want to get your paper and cut it to the size of the picture frame. Glue that in, and then get some of these like really cute letter stickers. Then just start spelling out a quote. I just put dream on since my paper has some star constellations on it, but you could do whatever quote you want as long as it fits on the paper. And as you guys can see, this DIY turned out so cute. It was also so simple to make. It took less than 5 minutes, and it looks really cute hanging on my board right here. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make a tassel garland. So this is super easy to make. All you will need to do is cut a piece of tissue paper in half, then fold it hot dog style, and then fold it 2 times the opposite way. Then start just cutting up the tissue paper from the bottom and start cutting it upwards, but do not cut it all the way. Just make like little strips within the tissue paper. Once you are done doing that, then cut the tissue paper into 4 different sections. Then you're going to want to grab one of the sections and start twisting the top, and as you can see, you now have your tassel. Just start doing this to as many tassels as you would like. I made about 8 tassels. Next up, grab some string and start gluing the tassels onto the string, and after that you will have your finished tassel garland. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, because we are so close to 2,000 subscribers. So definitely don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below. Also stay tuned for my upcoming videos, because you are definitely not going to want to miss them. I have some really good videos planned for you guys in the future. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!